Today in this video, we're going to be looking at how we can import and export an entire page as a template using Elementor in 4 easy steps. Being able to import and export page template is an essential part of being a web designer. When implemented, this method can be of immense help in speeding up your workflow, especially when on deadline. Taking a look at this website homepage, we can see we have an elegant single product store for a power bank. So we're going to be looking at how we can be able to first transform this page as a template, and secondly, how we can export it into a different website. So let's get started. The first step we want to take is to open up the page we want to export. In my case, it will be the home page, so I'll just click on this admin toolbar option which says edit with Elementor. But if you can't find this option, you can simply head down to your WordPress dashboard and hover over pages to select all pages. And once that opens up, we want to click on edit with Elementor for the particular page you want to export your page template from. And this is how your page should look like opened up in Elementor Page Builder. Once we've opened that up, we want to head down to the next step, which is to save this page as a template. We can do this by simply clicking on this little button right next to the update button which says save option, and we want to click on save template. As soon as we click on that, we'll see this pop up right away which says save your page to library. So let's call this home page, after which click on the save button. With that, you can be able to save your page as a template and then export it whenever you choose to. And that takes us to the next step, which is to export this page as a template so as to be able to import it into another website. We're going to be looking at 2 ways to make this happen. To do this, let's click on the export option, and we can see that has been exported to our desktop successfully. The other way of exporting this is to head back to your WordPress dashboard and hover over template to select save template. And right here we can see the export template option, and we simply need to click on it to export that page as a template. And that takes us to the last step, which is to import this page template into our other website. To do this, let's head down to the other website we want to import this page template to. I want to hover over template just as we did before and select save template. Once that opens up, we want to click on import template and choose the file we just exported into our desktop and click on import now. And once that is imported, we can use this template anywhere on our website. So let's see how this works by creating a new page to experiment with this. Bear in mind, this is not limited to new pages only, but can be used on an existing page as well. So let's head down to pages and select add new. And I will title this as homepage and click on edit with Elementor. And once that opens up, we want to click on this icon which says add template and then select my template. Since we named our template we just exported as homepage, I will just click on insert, after which you should have the entire page imported into your website. Here is a final tip. You can use this method described earlier to import and export specific sections with Elementor. To do this, just right click this section and select save as template, and then you can export this into another website just as we did in this video. And that's how you import and export a page built with Elementor in WordPress. I hope you found this useful tip helpful, and if you did, be sure to hit that like button to help this video get passed down to more people. And if you're looking to learn more about how to design a website as well as other web related stuff, consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell so you get notified when a new video gets published to this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.